Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Google Ads and discussing how to choose the right objectives for your campaigns. I know it can be overwhelming, so I'm here to help you navigate through the options and find the perfect one for your business. First up, we have brand consideration, ideal for new businesses or those with limited awareness. It takes only 90 seconds to set this up. The goal is to get your ads in front of as many people as possible, boosting your brand recognition. Next on the list is website traffic, which helps drive users to specific pages on your site. This objective is great if you want to promote a new product or offer on your homepage or blog, for example. Moving on, we have product and service sales. This objective helps you maximize ROI by prioritizing conversion-focused placements and optimizing your ads for sales using smart bidding. If you're looking to boost sales, this is the way to go. Now, let's talk about store visits. This objective aims to bring potential customers directly into your brick-and-mortar store by leveraging location extensions and prioritizing placements that have a high likelihood of driving store visits. It works best if you have multiple locations and allow Google to use store visit data for ad targeting and bidding. Finally, we have leads. This objective helps you generate high-quality leads through call extensions or contact forms on your landing page. It's ideal if you're focusing on generating leads through your website or simply need more inquiries from potential customers who are interested in what you offer as a business. So there you have it, folks. I hope this helps you choose the right objectives for your Google Ads campaigns and boost your business's success. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.